Welcome to Office Pro Academy. In this Microsoft Word tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and effortlessly change letters, words, and paragraphs to upper and lowercase. Whether you want to convert a block of text to uppercase for a heading or simply need to change the case of some words, Word provides powerful built-in features to make this task a breeze. Let's get started. Select the text you want to change. You can do this by dragging your mouse over the specific letters you wish to convert or by placing the cursor at the beginning of the text and dragging it to the end while holding the left mouse button. To convert the selected letters to uppercase, press Shift plus F3 on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can find the A button in the Home tab of the ribbon and click on the arrow beside it. Then, choose Uppercase from the drop-down menu. To convert the selected letters to lowercase, press Shift plus F3 on your keyboard. Alternatively, use the A button and choose Lowercase from the drop-down menu. Microsoft Word also offers a feature to capitalize the first letter of each word in a selected block of text, known as title case. Here's how to do it. Select the text you want to apply title case to. Click on the A button in the Home tab and choose Capitalize each word from the drop-down menu. Remember to practice these techniques to become more proficient, and feel free to experiment with different text selections to see the case changes in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.